Looking to unlock the chewy, pillowy magic of one of Japan's most iconic treats? Whether you're a kitchen newbie or a dessert daredevil, this is your complete guide to mastering mochi. Mochi isn't just a dessert, it's an experience. Dating back over 1,000 years, mochi has been a symbol of luck, celebration, and togetherness in Japan. From New Year's traditions to street stalls in Kyoto, mochi is woven into the fabric of Japanese culture. And today, I'm bringing that tradition straight into your kitchen, with modern tools, easy tips, and a little culinary flair. Here's the best part. To start, you only need 3 things: glutinous rice flour, sugar, and water. That's it. Mix them up until your dough is silky smooth, almost like a super thick pancake batter. Steam it just right. When you lift the lid and that glossy, stretchy dough puffs up, it's pure magic. Too soft, it falls apart. Too dry, it's basically a brick. You want that sweet spot, chewy, stretchy, and just the tiniest bit bouncy. Now let's talk about transformation. Traditionally, mochi is pounded with giant wooden mallets in a crazy rhythmic dance, like a food festival and arm workout rolled into one. These days, I'm all about food processors and mochi makers. They do the heavy lifting, so you can focus on flavor and fire. This is where it gets creative. Fillings. Go classic with sweet red bean paste or get wild. Matcha, Nutella, strawberries, even a scoop of ice cream. Dust your hands and the dough with a little potato starch. Gently wrap, roll, and seal. Suddenly, you're holding a handmade bundle of mochi magic. You could stop there, or you could level up. Start simple with sweet mochi balls. Soft, chewy, and perfect with a cup of green tea. Then try mochi ice cream, or even savory grilled mochi, isabayaki style, brushed with soy sauce and wrapped in seaweed. Seriously, mochi isn't always sweet. And if you're ready for a challenge, tackle mochi layer cakes or rainbow multicolor mochi. They take some patience, but trust me, the wow factor is off the charts. Quick tip, mochi dries out fast. Wrap it airtight and refrigerate. But honestly, it's best enjoyed fresh or frozen. But mochi is so much more than a snack. In Japan, it's at the heart of celebrations. Think Kagami mochi for New Year's, pink and white mochi at weddings, and family gatherings where making mochi is a group event. And now, mochi's gone global. We're talking mochi donuts, mochi ice cream, boba mochi, fusion pastries, the list goes on. Mochi has officially taken the dessert world by storm. Whether you're a mochi purist or all about wild flavors, there's a mochi for you. So, are you team classic or team creative? Let me know in the comments what mochi flavor you're dying to try. And hey, if you got something tasty out of this, smash that like button, subscribe for more deep dives, and ring that bell so you never miss a bite. Catch you in the next one.